Hi, this is Nikki Simon with Organize LA. Today we're going to talk about how to organize your media room. The tools you'll need are DVD racks or bins, trays, containers, storage units to contain all of your TV equipment and your DVDs. So the thing with organizing your media room is you want to think about what the purpose of the room is. It's to be comfortable and enjoy yourself while you're watching videos and playing games. A lot of storage systems for media rooms have pull-out shelves or things that you can actually put the DVDs into that line them up nicely, and you can organize those either by genre or alphabetically, whatever way makes it easiest for you to find the one you're looking for. One thing to keep in mind though is you might want to put the ones that you don't want the younger children to reach on higher shelves and possibly put theirs even into plastic containers in a low area where they can get to the ones that are separated for them. And the other thing is that you might like is blankets and things to make yourself comfortable. Stock your fridge if you have one with sodas and soft drinks and waters, and maybe have a tray to pass those things around. Some snacks, popcorn machine. Those are all just some ideas that you can add to really add to the experience of being in your media room. Another thing is that you like to have probably is a place to put your feet. Everybody wants to put their feet up when they're watching a movie. So storage ottomans are great, especially the ones that have lift-off lids where you can actually put in maybe some of those blankets and things and tuck them away out of sight. So this was Nikki Simon with Organize LA on how to organize your media room.